Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fikri Akmal bin Zainal Azman. So right now I will share you guys how to remove vocals from an original song using Audacity app. In order for you to guys to get the Audacity application, you just can check to the search engine and then you need to install it from there. So I'm already in Audacity application. So firstly, you need to click file here and then click open. So from here you guys can choose your own playlist. So I will choose this song, It's My Life from John Bon Jovi, and it will be importing to the mp3 files here within a few minutes. There you go. So maybe we can listen the vocal here.
This ain't a song for the broken hearted.
All right, so there is the vocal. So right now we need to remove the vocal from this original song. So first you need to click on this waveform and then click effect and scroll down until you find vocal reduction and isolation. So you can see the action here, remove vocals. So you can just click OK. And it will be applying to this waveform within 1 minute and plus. All right. So yeah, there you go. It will be change the waveform here. So let me play back the song so we can check whether there is vocal or not. So there is no vocal at all. Yeah. All right. So there is no vocal. All right. So that's all for today for the procedures how to remove vocal from original song using Audacity app. So thank you for viewing my video. Assalamualaikum.